In the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make in your own kitchen. Anyway, I'm gonna be sharing you a secret recipe where you can have for breakfast in the morning. So you wake up and you have a nice lovely hot cup of mint tea or lemon tea, ginger tea, whatever kind of tea, and you ask to yourself, say, you know, you don't want to do no fried egg or anything, you just want to have a nice smoothie. Stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Here it is for you. Subscribe, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo. Go over there, guys. Go over there. A lot of stuff is going on over there which you don't know about. Subscribe is very important, and clicking the notification bell. I love every one of you. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Your breakfast. Nice and lovely. So you wake up in the morning and you know what I mean, you have a breakfast. You want to have a lovely breakfast, but you decide you don't prefer something more lighter. Like, you know, it's coming up to a hot time now. You know, the night I'm gonna be getting really hot, and you know, in the morning you're gonna be feeling hot and all them things. Alright, this is what you can do. Grab yourself a finger of ripe banana. You know what I mean? You must have some ripe banana in the kitchen. There's no way you don't have any ripe banana in the kitchen. Alright? One finger of ripe banana. Alright? You don't have to, if you don't want it so ripe like mine, don't worry yourself, it's fine. Get a pack of oats. This is the original one. The oats will be working out to about 2 tablespoons. And just put it straight inside of it. Like this. Alright? If you got some organic honey, please use it. But I'm gonna just use some honey, roughly about a teaspoon. Secondly, we're going to put roughly about half cups of milk inside of it. I'm using some semi-skim milk. We're going to put some spinach. We all know that spinach is very good. Have a lot of iron and all these things. Alright? So we'll put roughly about a handful of spinach inside of it. Nice one. Alright, so we don't want to overdo it too much, you know what I mean? I'm gonna put a little bit more milk because I want the blender to be free up. So let's blend this beautiful breakfast recipe. Nice one. Alright. Nice and lovely. That's finished blend. Look at that. Beautiful, nice, blending, smooth, not split and all these things. Let's share it up. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, you know what I mean, you wake up in the morning and you feel for something different. This coming really handy for you. Alright? Beautiful, look at that. That's amazing. Ah. And I got some seeds. This is some natural seeds right here. You got pumpkin, you got all different kind of seeds in it. All you have to do, put a nice lovely tablespoon of seed inside of it. Alright? Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. I always try to give you the best recipe in the world. And that's why we're Chef Ricardo come and fill all the gap for you guys. Enjoy the recipes, subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Early morning breakfast smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.